Introducing the new track saw from DEWALT. The unique saw that offers the precision and quality of cut found in a table saw, along with the versatility and portability of a circular saw. For remodelers, cabinet makers, and woodworkers, the DEWALT track saw offers a better way to get the job done, saving time, money, and effort. With the innovative DEWALT track saw, precise and accurate cutting of sheet goods, doors, wood flooring, and other materials can be performed quickly and easily. Large sheet goods can be quickly and easily cut to size, or cut at any angle by just one person, without helpers or additional outrigging. The track system allows for perfectly straight, splinter-free cuts every time. It's fast and easy to set up, and the zero clearance edge provides a clear indication of the cut position before the cut is ever made. Weighing in at 12 pounds, the DEWALT track saw delivers an unparalleled combination of precision and portability, delivers smooth, splinter-free edges with no tear out, just like a table saw. Rip, cross-cut, miter, bevel, or compound miter with confidence. Using the DEWALT track saw means a quality cut time after time. Table saw precision, job site portability, and easy one-man operation put the DEWALT track saw in a category all to itself.